I'm making the perfect roast chicken, and I'm starting by putting some onions, just cut them into quarters in the base of my roasting tin. And then I've got some garlic, I've just cut them in half lengthways. And I've got 1 lemon, I've sliced half of it. It's going to make a really nice bed for our chicken to sit on. And then I've got some fresh thyme. Now I'm using a Waitrose No. 1 free range chicken here. I'm going to put the rest of the lemon, just the other half as it is, into the cavity, along with a couple more sprigs of thyme. And then I'm going to cook it breast side down at the beginning, just to make sure it stays really nice and juicy. But for the full recipe, just click on the link. A little bit of salt and pepper. And that needs to cook now for about 30 minutes this way up. I'm just going to carefully turn the chicken the right way up and just make sure you've got those onions and lemons back underneath it. A little bit more seasoning. Now this needs to go into the oven for about 45 minutes until it's cooked all the way through. If it's a bit larger, it may need a little bit longer. Now our chicken is fully cooked. I'm just going to lift it out onto a plate to rest, and then just to check, use a small knife and position that into the thigh, quite close to the bone, and you can see that there's no pink meat there at all and the juices are clear, so we know it's done. If it's not, just pop it back in until you're happy with it. Cover that loosely with foil and leave it to rest while you pop the onions back into the oven for a further 20 minutes or so. Now you need to make sure you've used a nice sturdy tin. If not, transfer it to a saucepan and then turn it onto a low heat. And then I've got some chicken stock. I'm going to add that to the tin and just scrape up all of those lovely bits from the bottom. Just let that simmer for a few minutes until it thickens slightly, and then you can serve that with your lovely roast chicken. For more recipes, don't forget to click to subscribe.